Hey guys, welcome to Losi. This is my new package. I got it delivered like a month ago, but I didn't have time to unbox it. So here I am today with the package. So it's a Losi Dbxl 2.0. I got it in black. That's how the package looks like. So I'm gonna unbox it. I'll take it out. I'll put it on that table and I'll show it to you. That's how it looks like from the inside. So this is the package that it delivers in, and this is the actual box. Dbxl 2.0. It's ready to run. It's gasoline. Let me take it out. Okay, so let's take it out. Lift this up. Put it on the side. Store it out there. Okay, so I'm gonna need your help, guys. All right, guys, so here we are with the Dbxl 2.0 Losi. I took it out from the box, put it right here on the table. So this is how it looks like. Brand new. I got it from Horizon Hobby. I did not take the body off before I checked it myself, so no damages during the delivery. I don't understand one thing. I'll show you right now. When you lift this up from the back, see that? That thing is weight. Look at the suspension on it. Then you get the idea. It don't touch the ground, but it's very soft. I like it. I think that's how it's supposed to be. Yeah, so I tell you the details. It's ready to run. It comes with the Zenova G320 engine. I hope you guys can see it in there on the post-op. So it's a G320 Zenova engine, 32cc with the carburetor. I don't know what that is, 1107 or 12 something. I didn't check that out. Has a massive intake, air filter, fuel tank. What else? The servos, Spectrum SPMS 906. Yeah, so for the steering and throttle, only steering servo is that one right there, and that's the throttle and brake. So it has two brakes, yeah, one in the front, one behind the gear, I think. Yeah, spur gear. It's a four-wheel drive. It's a four-wheel drive car. You can see the axle in there, in the front, right here. The front right there. It has a light. that box. That's a battery box, that's a receiver box, that's an on and off switch. Yeah, this wire that you're looking at is coming from the front under the cage. This light, I like this light, it looks good. Also, everything on the car, all the parts, they are very strong, solid, good quality, beefy, big parts. I like it. It's kind of like a Kraken Dbxl 5, but that's a whole different platform. Kraken Dbxl 5 is a 2-wheel drive. This one is a 4-wheel drive, but we call it a buggy. So it's a 4-wheel drive Dbxl 2.0. The chassis, I like lift it up. Yeah, that's a thick chassis. It seems like it's a 5mm thick or 4mm. Yeah, these springs are soft. That's the reason it's so soft in the back. See that? And then you lift it up. And it just falls back. See that? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Just to let you know that I did buy some upgrade parts, just like I bought for my other 1/5 scale cars. So it's on the way. I bought the kill switch from Matt Olson Design. He makes the best kill switch. It's much better than any other kill switch in the market. It's a mod kill switch. I got a new carburetor, a new air filter for this car. I got some outerwear for the shocks, outerwear for the filter, the pull start, the engine, and some more goodies for the truck. I mean for this buggy. So yeah, it's kind of dusty because I took it out after some time. I had it in my hobby room, so I didn't have a time to unbox it. I'm so busy in my work. So do watch my other videos, guys. I really appreciate your time. Hopefully I'm gonna be making some running videos and probably throw some new engine in it and show you how it moves and how it runs. So thank you so much for watching. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Please do subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. I'm gonna show you guys the MCDs that I have and the new Primal Losi Gravedigger truck, the monster truck that I just ordered. Also, I got the ultimate MCDs, RR5, XR5, and Losi 5Ts, and there's another surprise on the way, which I'm not gonna say anything right now. So I see you guys. Thank you so much. You guys have a great day. And if I miss anything on the car, please do ask me in the comment section, and I'll try to reply you guys. So thank you and have a great day.